Welcome back to Primetime News, and again, a special welcome to our viewers on OneSpotMedia.com and TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Up first this evening, with talks of disunity and power struggle in the Police Federation, the newly elected chairman says the executive will be meeting this week to iron out internal issues that would enable the Federation to effectively address the needs of rank-and-file members. Sergeant Arlene McBean was elected chairman late Wednesday evening. After hours of voting, the moment delegates of the Jamaica Police Federation had been waiting for.
The chairman of the Jamaica Police Federation is Sergeant Arlene McBean.
It's not the first time leading the Federation. Sergeant McBean, the first woman chair, was elected in May 2018, but her one-year tenure was marred by a no-confidence vote that removed her from office in January 2019. A court later ordered her reinstatement. Journalists caught up with her on Thursday.
I am humbled and I'm super honored because I deem this an esteemed privilege to be able to be of great service to the rank and file members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force.
The lead-up to the elections was not without challenges. At the conference earlier this week, tempers flared in an executive meeting between herself and another member. We asked about the issue.
The only air I'll clear is that I have no comment about that at this time, respectfully.
Sergeant McBean now returns to the top post amid more turbulence in the leadership of the Federation, with some claiming she has an uphill task.
When you say the road is rough, you look at the roughness and you don't want to navigate through the potholes. And as a representative, you must have that mindset to navigate, because those who have placed the confidence in you will expect you to lead that charge to navigate through all those challenges.
In the meantime, the executive is expected to meet this week. Sergeant McBean says the meeting will play a critical role in addressing the concerns of the rank-and-file members of the police force.
It is always important to deal with the internal framework, how we can fix things going forward in order to serve our members better. We are doing a good job. We have had some unprecedented events, but we have to see how best we can navigate through them and see how best we can look at the most innovative ways to create a space and an atmosphere for the rank and file members to serve the citizens of Jamaica as best as possible.